Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and today I'm going to talk about something that you may have heard about or may not heard about. But this is something I keep in my camera bag. Here we have the RAVPOWER FILEHUB. It is a small, compact, portable device. You get a lot for what you pay for out of this little thing. This here is a router, a bridge, a file server, a one-touch SD backup device, as well as a power bank to charge your phone. If you have a Canon EOS R and you want to back up your files off your SD card, this here will do it. No laptop needed, nothing. No other media device, just this one little thing. You throw your SD card in here, you open up this slot in the back, you put your USB storage device in there, either it be a thumb drive or a USB hard drive. Click this one button and it'll start transferring the files straight over. Once this stops flashing, then you know that all your files have been transferred over. To view those files, you can actually download the app, or you can actually use your web browser and view the files straight off your phone or laptop or computer. There's other companies that sell devices, something similar to this, that have built-in hard drives. Now, if that hard drive goes bad, then your unit's down. This here, if your storage device goes down, just pull out that one, put a different one in, and you're good to go. Again, these here run about only $55. And if you go online, you can find coupon codes to get this for about $44. That's a lot of bang for your buck. And just to have that security to back up your files, all in this one little device, that's fantastic. Again, this is the RAVPOWER FILEHUB. My name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.